Welcome back to my channel, Lux Babes. Today we're doing a closure quick weave and we taking it step by step. So if you want to know how to get this look, continue watching. Come on. So this is what I did. As you can see, her cap is already molded down and I left some space out for her closure, but I did close it up just enough so when I sew her closure down, I'm sewing on the hardened shell. If you are a beginner, you may want to start off by measuring it. I don't have to measure, I just go based off the eye, but like I said, you may want to measure and you may want to install the closure first instead of doing what I'm doing. And I do start off by putting the first bundle in, and I do it different every time. I don't do it the same. It just depends on the mood, the vibe. But as you can see, I did lay her first bundle down and I laid it going forward. This is the new way. This is the new way you want to do it. This is gonna give you those good layers and just have the hair laying good. Like you're gonna see when you try. But as you can see, I did put the color Ruby Kisses 16 on her, and then I'm going in and I'm sewing the closure down. Now this hair is from D Hair Boutique. I do love their hair. However, every time I use their lace, it takes a very long time to bleach, and then I noticed that I can't not really get it to like the blonde color. So don't know what's up with that. I don't know if it's really authentic like raw hair. However, the hair still is like good quality, but the bleaching, I don't know about all that. So anyway, just moving forward, I cut her side tabs of her closure and get her prepped with. For the glue, I do use alcohol to make sure the surface is clean, dry, and everything like that. So I do use boho active, and I go in with 3 thick layers, and I use my comb to start the smoothing, and then I smooth it out with my fingers. Some people look at me crazy, but this is just the way I do it. This is the way I've been doing it for a very long time. So yeah, that's just how I do it. And as you can see, I did measure out the closure just to make sure when I lay it down that is laying all on, like the glue is laying where I need it to be, basically. Okay, so I'm taking an eyebrow razor and I'm going in and just making sure that it's giving scalp, making sure that, you know, it's not a straight line and, you know, it's giving scalp. Just going in and perfecting it, making sure nothing is sticking up. I did go in with a little Got2b glue and put it on her hairline. And this lace, I don't know, like it wasn't being invisible like how I needed it to be. So I don't know if it's HD or what, but it wasn't giving HD because I did use a lot of makeup on her. However, here I am. I did go in and do the rest of her tracks, but I followed the same way that I did the ones in the front and just closed it out. Sometimes quick weaves can be tricky because you can accidentally make it too thick at the top. You just have to be mindful, and it does depend on the type of hair that you're using. So here we are doing the closure, just laying it down with the wax stick, the hot comb, and some spritz. And you want to repeat this as you go through the closure so that you can get it as flat as possible, and taking those thinner sections and making sure it's just giving flat, okay? And you want to make sure you're taking your time with this. Like, I used to want to be so fast, but it's not about that. It's about getting the look. Hair takes time. Closure quick weaves kind of take a little longer than what I would prefer, but it does take a little longer. And so as you can see, I'm defining her part and just getting it all ready. And I do go and through the part and I check with my clients every time because yeah, we need to make sure this part is straight. Now this is the curling portion, and I'm gonna slow it down so y'all can see exactly what I do. So you're gonna take that curling iron, you're gonna swirl it around, and you're gonna tap tap tap, and you're gonna twist it, and you're gonna tap 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 again until you get it. So just continue to watch this, and you can watch it in slower motion, you can rewind it, you can do whatever you want. And I do also have an in-depth curling video on my page, along with the in-depth plucking video on my page. So make sure y'all tune in and watch that. And I am gonna do a couple more curls for y'all, so y'all gonna be able to see. And on the opposite side of the head, make sure you're going away from the face. Always. That's how you get the best curls. Away from the face, please. Please and thank you. Yes. And if you made it this far into the video, you might as well follow me on Instagram. Like, it's only right that you lock in with me permanently. You become a Lux babe. You subscribe to the channel. Like, let's make it official. We locked in. Period. And so y'all, I do want to do some sort of class coming up soon. Drop in the comments what y'all would like me to teach. If it's like a frontal wig or a closer sew-in, or like what do y'all want to learn? I want to know so we can get that going. Continuing with this video, I'm just curling. This is more sped up, but you still able to like see what I'm doing. Just watch my hand, watch my wrist. As you can see, those curls are beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, yes. And so I do go in with some makeup on the part, matching with their skin color, giving it a scalp appearance. Then going in with that black spray. A trick for the black spray is not to start in the front of the head, because that stuff be spraying a little bit too much everywhere. So as you can see, I did go in the middle and just spray up and down from there. You have to be careful with that black spray, for real. Like, especially if the client is light skinned. Ooh, be careful. As you can see, I'm just lightly feathering through these curls with my fingers and my comb, and just perfecting the look how I wanted it to be. Now she wanted light layers, so we didn't even really do too much, because you know these are fresh bundles. Like, she not finna cut up her freshly expensive bundles, not like that. But I mean, she did glue it in, so hey, I don't know, everybody got their preference now. Okay, so this is the final look, y'all. We did go in and add some baby hairs after the fact. But what do y'all think? Did it come out good? If it came out good, give this video a like. If you learned something, give this video a like and subscribe. Like, why wouldn't you? And this is the final look, y'all. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Bye.